Welcome to unparalleled luxury. Experience the modern masterpiece, the bronze, silver, and black sedans, and the tranquil pool. This is the definition of high-end living.
Welcome to this absolute unit of a mansion. 3 luxury cars, perfect landscaping, reflecting pools. This place is insane.
Take one last look at this masterpiece. A massive cinematic pullback revealing deep navy and glacier white supremacy. This panoramic interior horizon lounge is the ultimate billionaire finish. Unmatched glacier white architecture and deep navy. Relax in this enclosed glass sitting place overlooking the massive reflecting pools. Glacier white seating and navy luxury. Even the air conditioning system is an architectural masterpiece. Seamless white vents integrated perfectly into deep navy ceilings. Check out this small glass wine vault. Stunning deep navy racks holding rare bottles against pure white stone. The residential security control room is absolutely massive. High-tech white desks monitoring everything on deep. This home automation system seamlessly integrates into the deep navy walls. Pure glacier white touchscreens controlling everything. This hidden service corridor keeps the mansion running. Pure glacier white hallways wrapped in deep navy arch. These private service stairs are beautifully designed. Sculpted white steps perfectly framed by sleek, deep navy steel handrails. The staff quarters offer total 5-star luxury with glacier white finishes and beautiful deep navy lounge. Step into this spotless mudroom entry. Flawless white benches and deep navy storage hiding all your Even the luxury laundry room is perfect, featuring pristine white countertops and flush deep navy high-tech appliances. Look at this insane heavy bike collection. Custom motorcycles perfectly displayed on glacier white and deep navy pedestals. The luxury garage is a pristine showroom. Deep navy glossy floors displaying vehicles against glacier white structural walls. This indoor relaxation pavilion is your private sanctuary. Built completely with deep navy columns and flawless white floors. Relax on the poolside interior lounge deck. Glacier white marble floors and ultra-luxurious deep navy lounging beds. Welcome to the enclosed indoor pool lounge. Deep navy tile work and pristine glacier white architectural relaxation zones. Check out this incredible upper floor overlook. Massive deep navy structural glass balconies dropping into pure white luxury. The interior lighting ambience is insane. Warm 3500 Kelvin light reflecting off deep. Look at this custom architectural chandelier. A massive masterpiece of deep navy steel and glowing glacier white light. Find absolute peace in this indoor botanical zen garden. Deep navy stones and stunning glacier white architectural pathways. This massive indoor atrium orchard brings the estate inside. Glacier white planters and deep navy. Relax inside this stunning indoor terrace lounge. Glacier white structural columns and deep navy chairs overlooking the private estate. Walking down these indoor walkways feels like a private museum. Endless glacier white marble perfectly framed by every single room door is a massive floor-to-ceiling deep navy pivot door set in pure white steel. Zero boring walls in this mega mansion. Deep navy acoustic paneling intersected perfectly by stunning glacier whites. The floor tiles alone cost millions. Flawless large format glacier white stone framed by precise deep navy architectural inlays. This massive circular indoor lounge seating is pure billionaire luxury. Deep navy velvet resting perfectly on glacier. Even the kids get total luxury. This entertainment zone features deep navy padded structures and pure white architecture. This billionaire party room is built for massive events. Featuring a glacier white dance floor and deep navy. Hang out in this casual media room. Featuring sleek, deep navy tech consoles and pristine white luxury. A perfectly private sitting lounge for VIP discussions, featuring glacier white marble tables and deep navy modern armchairs. The upstairs family lounge offers insane comfort with crisp white luxury sofas and a massive deep navy. Welcome to the ultimate immersive cinema. Featuring deep navy velvet seating and pure glacier white acoustic. This entertainment hall is incredible. Featuring a custom glacier white billiards table with perfect deep navy luxury felt. This indoor guest spa shower experience features massive white marble slabs and a stunning deep navy glass enclosure. Find pure zen in this massive yoga room, featuring deep navy acoustic panels and pristine white oak floors. Relax after an intense workout in this insane deep navy and glacier white luxury steam room spa. The ultimate billionaire home gym. Custom high-tech white equipment sitting perfectly on deep navy rubberized floors. The VIP ensuite bathroom goes absolutely crazy, with a massive glacier white soaking tub surrounded by deep navy. Another stunning guest bathroom showcasing flawless high-gloss white floors and a beautiful floating deep navy vanity. This exclusive romance lounge delivers pure luxurious intimacy, with deep navy acoustic walls and an ultra-plush white sofa. Every single guest bathroom features seamless glacier white marble and perfectly contrasting navy tilework for that billionaire spa experience. Check out this incredible study room. Sleek, floating navy shelves and glacier white resin desks for absolute maximum. Your second guest bedroom offers massive floating white ceilings, deep navy wall panels, and incredible minimalist estate. The luxury family suite provides massive open space featuring pristine white finishes, built-in navy desks, and ultra-modern architectural design. This spectacular secondary suite is styled perfectly with soft glacier white textures. Welcome to the ultimate billionaire walk-in closet. Custom navy cabinetry and glacier white island displays for your luxury watches. This dedicated makeup room features incredible glacier white marble vanities and perfect lighting for flawless high-end daily preparation. Your guests will never want to leave this VIP suite. Unmatched comfort wrapped in glacier white high-tech. The secondary master bedroom on the first floor is absolutely massive, featuring deep navy velvet and pristine white. Even the pantry storage room is incredibly luxurious. Backlit white shelving keeping all your billionaire snacks perfectly organized. The craftsmanship on these deep navy cabinets is absolutely mind-blowing. Flawless integration with glacier whites. This indoor dining extension lounge offers the ultimate relaxation space after a massive billionaire feast with your guests. Enjoy your morning coffee in this stunning breakfast nook. Sweeping estate views wrapped in pure white architectural. Enjoy your morning coffee in this stunning breakfast nook. Sweeping estate views wrapped in pure white architecture. Wake up to your very own artisanal espresso bar. Masterfully designed with glacier white marble and navy accents. The indoor service kitchen extension is massive, equipped with pristine white countertops for seamless high-end catering events. Every mega mansion needs a dedicated butler's pantry, high-gloss white finishes, and deep navy luxury service stations. This floating white marble staircase is architectural art, pure, clean, high-tech royal engineering for ultimate billionaire living. A mega mansion needs a hidden chef kitchen, pure service efficiency wrapped perfectly in white and deep navy. Spa-level perfection, massive white marble, navy mosaic details, and a tub that flows perfectly into the absolute pinnacle of luxury rest. Waking up to this panoramic private estate view is worth every. Check out this command center. A high-tech executive office, blending clean white design and powerful navy accent. Billionaire dining in absolute style. 8 guests can enjoy this formal space with perfect glacier white navy elegance. The kitchen is pure functional art, seamless white surfaces and integrated navy tech with absolutely zero sci-fi. This massive primary lounge is all about sleek lines and high-energy vibes with deep navy fire feet. This is not just a drawing room. It is a pure architectural statement overlooking the massive private estate. Welcome to the $185 million Aquatic Palace. This glacier white masterpiece starts right here.